Welcome to All County Property Management. We're happy you chose to rent with us. We know you probably have some questions, so we've created this presentation to help you understand your responsibilities as a renter. Before we hand over the keys, let's talk about the lease, paying your rent, and maintenance. Your occupancy starts and ends on the dates stated in the rental agreement. Only those persons listed on the document may occupy the property, and the same applies for vehicles stored on premises. A security deposit is required at lease signing, which will be placed in a separate account during your rental period. Rent is due on the date specified in the rental agreement. If payment is not received by this date, you will be charged a late fee, plus additional fees every day that the payment is not received. You will not be reminded of your due date or notified of late fees. It is your responsibility to read your lease carefully and to be aware of any extra fees you are incurring. These costs should be included in your delinquent payment. Checks that bounce are not considered payment for rent and will be subject to additional penalties. Any checks returned must be satisfied in certified funds or credit cards. Checks will never be redeposited. You are in charge of the day-to-day maintenance of your rental property. It is your duty to replace air conditioning filters and light bulbs, exterminate pests, repair broken or cracked glass, maintain your yard and working smoke alarms, repair broken locks and garbage disposals, unclog stopped plumbing, and mend or replace torn and missing screens. Any property that is broken on the premises is your responsibility. Requests for maintenance should be submitted through the All County website. Instructions are provided when you sign in. This should only be done if the repair is not listed as your responsibility in the rental agreement. All County operates an emergency maintenance hotline for when a situation is threatening to life, health, or the integrity of the property. Tenants who make non-emergency calls to the hotline will be charged a fee. We want you to feel at home, but please remember that your rental property does not belong to you. You must receive written permission from All County before painting, installing fixtures, or in any way altering the property. We also will not be responsible for any damages that occur to your personal property while you are a tenant. All County strongly encourages you to purchase rental insurance for your possessions. We'd love to think that you will rent with us forever, but at some point, we'll probably part ways. Please let us know you will be leaving in writing within 30 days of the rental payment due date. You will be responsible for leaving us with a clean space and property, along with keys that were provided to you. A fee is charged if you do not return all keys. When your rental obligation has ended, your security deposit will be returned to you in one check, addressed to all occupants listed in the rental agreement. You cannot pick up your check at our offices. It must be mailed to you. Please read your lease carefully and take your responsibilities as a tenant seriously. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns before you sign your rental agreement. Once you've read and fully understand the document, please sign in all required areas. Thank you, and we hope you will enjoy renting from All County.